In this video, I'm going to share some practical tips to help you perform your best on a TestGorilla assessment. Of course, first, before we start, there isn't a guaranteed way to pass every TestGorilla assessment because employers choose different tests depending on their role. The best approach is basically to prepare for the required skills, understand the platform, and complete the assessments honestly using your own knowledge. TestGorilla assessments can be timed and may include integrity measures such as webcam, snapshots, or activity monitoring depending on the employer's settings. So first of all, before starting the assessment, you'll have to prepare some stuff like make sure that you're using a reliable internet connection, charge your laptop if needed, close unnecessary programs, have a calculator, pen and paper available if permitted, and find a quiet place with minimal distractions. If your assessment requires a camera or microphone, make sure that they are working before you begin. Many assessments, of course, begins with instructions and practice or practical questions. So or practice questions. Practice questions, of course, are not scored, so you'll have to use them to understand the questions format, the interface, and how to submit answers. Questions will be something like that, as an example. Keep in mind to, as we said, read the instructions carefully. Don't rush through any section because even the practice options, because it can help you feel more comfortable before the real test begun. Then most of course, test gorilla tests are timed. To make the most out of your time, you'll have to read each question carefully, avoid spending too much time on difficult question, and keep an eye on the timer. Also, stay focused instead of aiming for perfection. Time management is often just as important as knowing the correct answer. Keep in mind, of course, that Test Gorilla requires you to have full screen mode. It is required, and if you quit it, the timer will keep running, and you will be asked to put it back on, and then you'll have to, or you'll be able to complete the test after. And of course, make sure to give Gorilla your own honest answers throughout the assessments. These Gorilla assessments are designed to measure your skills, and employees may enable features that monitor assessment integrity. The platform also asks candidates to agree not to use AI tools or other prohibited assistance during the assessment. And of course, the topic that you will see will depend basically on the job. So, as an example, you may be tested on numerical reasoning, logical reasoning, attention to details, English language skills, programming, Excel, whatever you applying for. So it's normal to feel some pressure during the timed assessment. If you encounter a difficult question, just stay calm, focus on the information provided, and make your best choice. Just make sure to move on to the next question if it's taking too much of your time, and keep a sturdy or steady pace. Usually, it will lead you to a better overall performance. Of course, once you're done, you'll be able to see your result details and everything, and you'll be able to see how you've done. You can view the solution of every question, and you should be good to go. So those are some of the best ways to improve your performance on the test gorilla assessments. I hope it was helpful to you. So if it does, hit that like and subscribe and watch our next video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.